Hi everyone. So in our previous video, we have done the WPA2 configuration on this wireless router. So after applying the WPA2 security, anyone, so any random person cannot able to connect to my wireless network, right? Because he doesn't have any key. Okay. And he can't able to crack the password also because WPA2 somehow having the better technique of the security. Okay, now let us assume my password is hp lab 123, so anyone knows the password. Okay, someone already knows the password. Okay, but I just want that only these four pcs can able to communicate to my network. Other than these, no one can able to enter to my Wi-Fi or cannot able to connect to my wireless network. Even he know the password. So how we can block these kind of person? Okay, how we can do that? Just go to the wireless router. Okay, and we are going to apply the MAC address filter. How we can do that? Click on the wireless. Click on the wireless MAC filter, and we have to provide the MAC address list over here. But dear all, before going to do that, let's find the MAC address of all the PCs that we have. First PC, go to the first PC, go to the command prompt, put a command ipconfig space slash all. So this command is used to find the MAC address of the device. Here we can see that for the Bluetooth connection, this is our MAC address, but we have to find the MAC address also of our wireless device, that is 006047D3 and B662. So this MAC address we need. So let me paste this MAC address. Okay, we are going to provide these MAC addresses, but these MAC addresses should be in column, separate, not separated by the dot, but in column, just like this. Okay, so let me put the column over here. Okay, let's find the MAC address of second PC. How we can do that? Go to the second PC again, click over this one, go to the command prompt, put a command ipconfig space slash all and enter. So I'm going to put the MAC address of this wireless network. Click right click over here, copy this one, close this one, and paste the MAC address over here. So let's correct the format of this MAC address. Okay. So how we can do that? Click over here, replace the dot with the colon as well as put the colon after every two digit. Okay. Just like this. Let's go to the third one. Find the MAC address of the device. Okay. How we can do that? By IP config space slash all these commands. So here we got the MAC address of the third device. Copy over here and paste over here. Okay. So separate this with the colon again. And we are going to put all of these MAC addresses in the MAC address filter so that no one can able to connect. Okay. So let me correct this one. Let me remove the next dot also after 4. So it is in proper format now. Let's go to the last one because I just want that a part of these for no one can able to connect. So how we can do that? IP config space slash all. So this is the MAC address available over here. Let me copy this one, close this one, and paste over here. So in real time also, like in your home network, what you can do, you can configure your wireless network and allow the MAC address filter. So MAC address, we have the list of all the four PC's MAC address. Now let's provide this MAC address to our wireless router. How we can do that? First of all, click over enable. Permit only the listed below PCs listed below to access the wireless network. That is mean we will allow only these PCs which MAC address is mentioned over here. Let me copy the first MAC address, paste over here. Let me copy the second MAC address and paste over here. Let me copy the third MAC address and paste over here. Okay. Let's copy the fourth MAC address and paste over here. We have copied all the four MAC addresses. Click over the save setting. So here you can see after some time all four will be connected. Okay. Now let us assume that any random person is available in your network. Attacker came to your network and he want to connect with your wireless network. What he will do? He will go to the uh, to the PC and change the module first of all. Okay. So attacker is going to add the module first of all, turn on the device again, and what he will do, he will go to the desktop and wireless, and he could able to, you can see that he will not able to see the network over here. Why he is not able to see the network? Because we have mentioned only four PCs that can able to connect. So he even cannot able to see the back address to see the wireless device over here. So no wireless device is available here because my wireless device name is default, but default is not available here in the list. No, even a single, I mean, no Wi-Fi is available in the range over here in the list because we have applied the MAC address filter. So even any PC knows the password, he can't able to connect because his MAC address is not allowed by the home router. So this is how we can put the security on our wireless networks. So dear all, if you have any confusion, you can ask me. Have a nice day.